Hey friends, Catherine here. I just got some happy mail today and it's the first happy mail I've received and I wanted to share it. I'm very carefully not showing any addresses. I've got it turned down so that you can't see what's there, but I know that it's happy mail because it says crafty happy mail. So let's open it together and see what's inside. I haven't opened it yet. Oh, it's glued down. I don't know why I'm surprised about that. I know that they come with glue on them. It surprised me. Ooh, oh, look at that, you guys. It's double layered. It's all wrapped up. Let's have a look inside. These look like painty papers. Oh, ooh, some washi tape. Ooh, you guys. All right, let's see if we can't get this open. Let's just cut the cellophane pouch, hopefully, sort of, very gently. Ow, that hurt my ear. I hope you recognize that hurt my ear. Ow. Okay, so we've cut the cellophane pouch open, and oh, look at that. It's a tassel clip made from embroidery floss in just the most beautiful colors. It's got like this tannish brown and white and a darker brown and this lovely green. I love that green. That's gorgeous. And she included a skein of embroidery floss that I bet is of a similar kind because it's mixed colors, so I bet it's of a similar kind that this one was done from, so that I could do my own if I wanted to. Nice! And then it's got a little roll of washi tape, which I don't know if you can see it. It's got gold X's and O's on it. That's gorgeous. I'm going to be setting that aside for a project that I'm going to do in a couple of days, actually. That'll be really useful to have. And a card, looks like. Let's have a look. Oh, it's a handmade card. Oh, look at how gorgeous that is, you guys. Look, it's got just beautiful things, buttons and die cut things. Oh, that's lovely. I love that. That gives me ideas. All right. Yep, and a personal note inside, so we'll set that aside for reading it later. Ooh, flower die cuts. Yes. Score. That also gives me an idea for using in a couple of days. We will set those aside for using with a soon-to-be project that you guys will see. Ooh, napkins. Okay. Oh, a gold paperclip, and they're paperclipped together. Oh, look at those. Oh, I love that. It's a bird with a crown above its head, and lavender, like you guys. And a bird cage on the other side. Oh, this is amazing. Look at that. I love that. And ooh, a longer one that looks like fireflower and butterflies and Maison Blanc written on it. Very cool. And stripies, because you can never not have things to do with stripies. That is awesome. That's going to have to go to something special. Ooh, and another envelope. Oh, look at that one. The flower on it. And it's a blank handmade card so that I can fill it in and personalize it for someone that I care about. Oh, nice. Oh, you know what I should do? I should turn this one around and put it in the next happy mail that I send out. Oh, that's an idea. That's a thought. I love that. Ooh, let's Try not to mess up the flour when we're sliding it back in, though. Come on, you. There we go. And, ooh, this is pretty. Let's see if we can. Oh, it's an envelope. Oh, look how lovely that is. That's gorgeous. And it's got glitter and washi around the edges so that it looks finished. That's amazing, you guys. Look at this envelope. And I can use it. I've got this stack of card blanks over here that I've just been keeping tied up with a ribbon. Those would fit in there perfect. That's going to be an awesome thing to have. Thank you. And some glittery painty papers. Go. Let's see if I can't. Just and a coppery paper clip. Oh, look at those. Those are going to be fun to work with. And they're going to get glitter everywhere. Oh, they're green on one side and they're all pink on the other. Oh, that's awesome. That's so exciting. I hope you guys like this. I know it's not making anything, but it is sharing things, and sharing things is so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this, and I hope you get in on the Happy Mail thing too. If you haven't already, it's so much fun because it's like a surprise present in your mailbox that you weren't expecting, and it can just really brighten your day. And they always seem to come when you're kind of having a rough day. So it's a great thing to join if you want to. That's what I did today, you guys, was opened a bit of Happy Mail. I hope you guys liked seeing what I got. I'm so excited about it. And I will see you all later. And make something. Go ahead and make something. It doesn't even matter what, just something quick and easy, and it can really make all the difference. I will see you guys later, and remember to subscribe. Bye.